The Papua New Guinea Forest Authority, or PNGFA, in collaboration with the Constitutional and Law Reform Commission, or CLRC, held a lockdown workshop on the 28th of September to the 1st of October in Port Moresby and went through the draft of the legislative bills on the revised Forestry Act. Participants at the workshop included directors, managers, and legal officers of the PNGFA and representatives from CLRC, Office of the Legislative Council, the Public Solicitor's Office or PSO, and the Department of Treasury. PNGFA and CLRC will submit the draft bill to PSO through the Department of Justice and Attorney General for them to check and later submit to the Office of the Legislative Council of the Department of Prime Minister and the National Executive Council for endorsement. The initial Forestry Act 1991 is more focused on logging. Therefore, in the revised Act, new provisions were added to implement government policies such as downstream processing of logs, reforestation and afforestation, carbon trade, and the establishment of the State Marketing Agency and the State Purchase Option for revenue generation. The Managing Director of the National Forest Service, John Mosoro, in his opening remarks said that the lockdown workshop to review the Forestry Act is important for PNGFA. He said he was given the task to reform the forestry sector with reviewing the Forestry Act 1991 as priority number one. Mosoro added that although there have been a number of amendments made to facilitate implementation of government policies, the review of the Forestry Act has become necessary to accommodate for developmental trends and priorities of the government. Mr. Mosoro added that the forestry sector has the support of the Mara Peroso government to remodel it to realize its full potential. Hence, reviewing the Act is the right path to take. Florence John Duo, National EMTV News.